Hi, welcome to Flow with Sky. Today we are going to simply flow outside. Let's begin in a mountain pose, taking a few deep breaths in the nose, out of the nose. Inhale, sweep your arms high to the sky. Exhale, forward fold. Maybe take a rag doll, bend one knee, bend the other, sway side to side, releasing the low back. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, plant your hands. Step your right leg back. Frame your left leg. Easy twist. Left arm reaches towards the sky. Now left arm reaches up and back. Right arm reaches forward. Open arm twist. And moving to the right, star pose, burst open. Legs straight, toes out. Exhale, warrior two, bend your right knee. Inhale, flip your right palm. Exhale, reverse your warrior. Cartwheel your hands down, squaring off the hips. Step your left leg forward. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale, sweep both arms high to the sky. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, plant your hands. Step your right leg back. Easy twist. Left arm reaches up. Inhale, open arm twist. Left arm reaches back. Right arm reaches forward. Inhale, star pose, burst open. Exhale, warrior two, bend your right knee. Inhale, reverse your warrior. Exhale, cartwheel your hands down, framing your right leg. Step your left leg forward. One more time through. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, fold. Root to rise. Exhale, forward fold. Dive it down. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale, plant your hands. Step your left leg back. Easy twist. Right arm reaches high. Open arm twist. Rise. Star pose. Burst open. Exhale, warrior two, bend your left leg. Inhale, reverse your warrior. Exhale, plant your hands down, step your right leg forward. Inhale, half lift. Exhale, fold. Inhale, sweep both arms high to the sky. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, halfway lift. Step your left leg back. Inhale, easy twist. Open arm twist. Right arm reaches up and back. Star pose, warrior two, bend your left knee. Inhale, reverse. Exhale, cartwheel your hands down. Step your right leg forward. And we're through. Thank you so much for joining me with this flow. This was Flow with Sky. I'll catch you next week. Bye.